Hey guys, what's going on? So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this origami stem for the inflatable tulip. So you just stick that point in just like that. See? And there it is. And to learn how to fold the inflatable tulip, click right here. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fold this stem. So for this model, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of origami paper, but you could try it from a sheet of printer paper cut square. So let's begin right side up and fold in half. This video won't count towards my main videos I make each week, because this is just a super simple model. Okay? And now fold this edge to here. Remember, here's the two raw edges. Okay? And now take this edge and fold it to here. Okay? And now we're going to do is we're going to fold this up, and we're going to anchor the fold at this point. And you just want to fold it up. This is to taste, so just fold it up maybe about like that. It's to taste, so I'm just going to fold it about like that. Alright, and now let's loosen that fold up, and let's go ahead and reverse it. So it'll make it easier to do the next step. Okay, and now the final step is we're going to do a reverse fold. So here's the side with the flap, and we're going to open up. And there's two slots you can choose from. There's a white slot and there's a colored slot. I'm going to go for the rightmost slot, so I'm going to do the colored slot. But I don't think it matters which slot you do. And we're going to reverse fold this part. So this is the part with the flap. Like this. See? Just reverse fold it just like that. Alright, and crease everything sharply. And we are done. So here it is, our stem. I mean, if you want, you can kind of three-dimensionalize it. I'm actually now discovering this. See, you can just three-dimensionalize it like that. Alright, and you can make an inflatable tulip and just stick this point. So whatever point is more taller, I like to put that point inside the flower. So like that, see? And again, to learn how to fold this model, here's the tutorial. So there you have it. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed folding this, and make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, bye-bye.